Okay, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to practice group discussion. Group discussion is the first task of your GTO, so it becomes a very important task for you to all to focus on. और ग्रुप डिस्कशन की प्रैक्टिस इसलिए भी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज इन द टोटल ऑफ SSB you will have to perform 4 group discussion in total. First GD you will perform during the PPDT part where you have to discuss and come to a common story. Then 2 GD will perform in the first task of group discussion where you will have to perform 2 group discussion on the topic given by the assessor. And the 4th group discussion you will have to perform in the form of group planning exercise. So that's why the practice of group discussion becomes really important. And if we talk about PGT task and group obstacle race, another task of group as well. Half group task and final group task. There also you will have to express your ideas. The generation of ideas is not the problem there. The proper explanation on the expression of those ideas becomes a real deal. So that's why we have to focus more on the group discussion part for now. For the first task of your GTO, for the first GD, the GTO will give you 2 topics. Group will have to discuss and choose one topic for the discussion, and for the second GD, the GTO will give you one topic. You will not have any choice, and you will have to perform a group discussion on the given topic. First topic जो discussion का होगा, first and second topic, the option that will be given to you will be above average level topic, international organization, national issues, national security issues, जो भी आपके current के topics हैं या फिर जो भी आपके above average topic हैं जिसके लिए आपको information थोड़ी ज़्यादा चाहिए. But the second GD जो आपका होगा that will be based on social awareness, social issues, जिसके लिए आपकी basic information ही काफ़ी है. So the way the 3 group discussion has been planned in such a way कि जो पहला डिस्कशन है जो आपके 3 मेजर फैक्टर हैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस के, द नॉलेज ऑफ वर्क, द पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एंड द सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टेंट इन ऑल 3 ग्रुप डिस्कशन, बट व्हाट वेरीज इज दैट कि जब पहली GD आपकी होगी अबव एवरेज लेवल टॉपिक है, मतलब कि आपका नॉलेज थोड़ा कम रहेगा और आपका सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट भी थोड़ा कम रहेगा बिकॉज यू आर परफॉर्मिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. बट वी टॉक अबाउट द सेकंड ग्रुप डिस्कशन, वहाँ पे आपका नॉलेज फैक्टर सबका बढ़ेगा बिकॉज द टॉपिक इज रिलेटिवली सिंपल, एंड आपका सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट भी बढ़ेगा बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम जिन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस नहीं करी थी वो अब परफॉर्म करना शुरू करेंगे. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज, वहाँ पे दिक्कत और बढ़ेगी बिकॉज आपका नॉलेज सबका ज़्यादा है बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज़ रिटन देयर ओन प्लान, सो एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओपिनियन. सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट भी और ज़्यादा रहेगा बिकॉज हेयर इट इज़ द लास्ट टाइम यू आर परफॉर्मिंग एज अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, तो वहाँ पे हर कोई इंसान वहाँ पे बोलना शुरू करेगा जिसने लास्ट 2 डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है. और मेजर प्रॉब्लम जो आपके लिए एक्स्ट्रा ऐड होगी वो ये है कि थर्ड GD में जो ग्रुप प्लानिंग एक्सरसाइज देयर यू हैव टू कम टू अ कॉमन कंक्लूजन. सो द स्किल सेट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द डिस्कशन अमंग ऑल 3 ग्रुप डिस्कशन विल बी डिफरेंट. राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस ऑन द फर्स्ट लेवल टॉपिक, जहाँ पे यू नीड नॉट टू कम टू एनी कंक्लूजन, मतलब कि जो पॉइंट आपके हैं और जो पॉइंट सामने वाले के हैं दोनों ही सही हैं अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के हिसाब से. सो इट इज़ अ डिस्कशन नॉट अ डिबेट. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड आप दूसरों की बात से एग्री करते हुए अपनी डिफरिंग बात को भी सामने रख सकते हैं. इट विल नॉट बी एन इशू. इज इट क्लियर? सो द टॉपिक फॉर डिस्कशन विल बी व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू रिजॉल्व नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंसर्जेंसी प्रॉब्लम्स. I repeat, what is the best way to resolve northeast insurgency problem? First, better center and state relationship. Second, focusing more on development of infrastructure and tourism. And third one is proper implementation of AFSPA, Armed Force Special Power Act. I repeat the topic, what is the best way to resolve the northeast insurgency problems? First one is better center and state relationships. Second one is focusing more on development of tourism and infrastructure. And third one is proper implementation of AFSPA. Is the topic clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you all 2 minutes to brainstorm your ideas, then we shall start the discussion. Are you ready for the discussion?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Start your GD.
So in my opinion, the best way to resolve this insurgency is by making a better relation with the center and the state. We are living in a democratic country and we are following the federal laws. If we are not giving the state, if we are not giving the right to the state, we are not following this federal law. So according to the best ways to coordination between the center and the state.
Yes, I agree with the suggestion of 179 to reduce the insurgency in the northeast states, to make a better relations with the state and the government. We generally seen that a lot of implementation of laws in the northeast states. Why is there we saw a lot of insurgency in the northeast states?
The gentleman added very. I partially disagree with the chest number 200. I think the AFPA is the best way to resolve the northeast issues, because it develops when the situation is going over the neck, and it is imposed by the Home Ministry, so that the state
was also very harmful for the human nature, and also destroy and not a good effect on
the best thing is that the state
foreign terrorist.
The-
It is
the best thing is that the state does not show his monopoly. It is totally imposed by the Home Ministry.
Gentlemen, if you talk about the countries like India, where central government is the heart and the brain of it, and other states are the parts of it. So, to better cooperation and better relationship, it is very important to solve this problem by the center-state relation, and by doing this, it could be done by peaceful. Gentlemen, I think chest number 52 want to add something.
Infrastructure can be a good reason, a good way to solve the insurgency problem.
Okay.
Since independence, the problem lies
in India there are lots of IITs and NITs in North India and South India, but in the going towards North Indian state there are only limited IITs and NITs, and many limited schools and universities are there. If we have a better development, we have a better education, there would be a issue will be controlled.
Chest number 84 added very good point.
It is the matter.
The main reason of the people who are against Indian government is that they are feel disconnected with whole India. We first need to connect, maintain a connectivity between them. When they come to mainland India, they feel discrimination.
Chest number 52 added
It is
very good point.
the matter of the state security. It is the matter of the state security, so that I think we should give the full power to the armed forces to save his state and his
Gentlemen, please speak one by one. Let just number.
I agree with you that AFPA is violating the Article 21, which is related to the right to individual, right to
I agree with you.
I
According to the 2013
I think-
Segregate Commission, which have been taken the report according to which 5 out of 6 suicide the case are the not genuine one.
Gentlemen, if we take the example of India's and other states' relationship, we see there is a peaceful relationship between, and it also includes the development and infrastructure. But if we go to the northeast side, this side is missing.
I think it is the special situation. I think it is the special situation of the Article 21, which was agreed by the Supreme Court also.
Just
That
number
it
so
is
and so.
it is the matter of the state security, and it is the matter of the armed
Just
forces.
number so and so added very good point.
that AFPA is removing day by day, because Meghalaya and Tripura has removed by this AFPA.
I have slightly disagreed.
AFPA is not permanent. AFPA is not permanent.
Two commissions have been sent by the Indian government in 2013 and 2007 also, and both have the point that we must move forward from the AFC.
Just number 97.
Firstly, AFPA is not permanent. It is imposed by the review of the areas. It is imposed by the review of the areas. So
Just
that
number
the situation-
97 added good point, but I beg to differ him, as he has told about the practice of forces is there. But if there is a relationship between the center and state, then we should solve this problem peacefully and harmony, and development should be also there.
It can be. Firstly,
Gentlemen, please speak one by one.
firstly,
government.
Gentlemen, I think just number 93 wanted to add something. Speak.
I want to add a point to this.
Firstly,
Gentlemen, I think just number 93 want to add something, so please
I
let
want
him.
to add a point
Let her.
that if there will be a better center and state relation, at that time we will not need AFSPA to control that area directly. By the center, we can control that area, and we will be able to build a bridge between us and them, which is more important.
Firstly, it is not imposed. Firstly, it is not imposed in the whole state. If the government thinks that
If we look at the example of Tripura, which was a conflicted area before, but because of better connectivity and a good literacy rate, the relation between Indian government and Tripura is increased. We must have to look out in education, healthcare, and better infrastructure.
Just number 93 and 52 added good point.
I think
as the relationship between the center and the state government is being resolved here, so we have seen the better in
I partially disagree with the chest number 93, because it is not permanent. If the government thinks that the situation is getting better, then the government can remove the AFSPA from that state.
Lies in people
Or it is not imposed. It is not imposed in the.
Actually, the root cause lies in people being
We are living in a
feeling
democratic country, and AFPA is a result of colonial mindset.
Gentlemen.
We have to focus on better relations with the center and state rather than going for the.
I think 179 has a point, and this is very much correct because since they are also a part of our country,
I think it is also-
we cannot violate their article number 21, right to life, and all their laws.
I think it is also important. I think it is also important to
implementation of AFSPA.
Gentlemen,
To show
as test number 97 added that ASPA is used in emergency, but why to create emergency? If we solve the problem with a better relationship, we can go with the peace and security among them.
I think it is important to show the threats in the mind of the Naxals so they do not exclusion.
Just-
so this movement will not be able to come.
Just number 97 added good point, but I have a different opinion. With other states are also having the same issues, but there is army and police is there. So why to impose another action so that people could bind from them?
It is imposed after the failure of the state police and the CRPF and after the failure of the situation. Whenever it is not controlled by the state, then AFSPA is imposed on
Gentlemen,
that state.
that is directly.
We are making a difference between them and us. And
It is imposed in the rigorous situation. It is imposed in the rigorous
Gentlemen,
situation
as
where
test
the
number
Chest number
160 wants to add something, please.
As many foreign people comes to there in the northeastern states to tackle and to find the proper people and to find the terrorists among them. So we should implement.
I would like to add my that.
Tackle the terrorism, the relation between the state and the central government should be very good and good. And also see the result in NRC.
Okay, stop. So it's number 52. Somewhere the desperation was shown in your performance. थोड़ा सा फ्लो में नहीं थी परफॉर्मेंस, काफ़ी इट वॉज एफर्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ रहा है. थोड़ा सा कंटेंट वॉज गुड बट यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन द कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट अ लिटिल बिट मोर एंड पार्टिसिपेशन वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट दैट मच, सो थोड़ा सा और पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ाना रहेगा. 89 you have a lot of potential, your content was also very good, but again the way of speaking was not effortless. काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ी इंग्लिश बोलने में, सो वो कंफर्ट लेवल भी फ़िलहाल नहीं है. वर्क ऑन दैट. 93 effectiveness is quite low. You had good points, you spoke many times, but लोग आपकी बात नहीं सुन रहे जब तक कोई और आपके मौके नहीं दे रहा. So you have to work on the effectiveness part because people are not listening to you. So you have to work on the power of expression as well as the self-interest part. The enthusiasm is somewhere lacking. 97 पार्टिसिपेशन पहले से काफ़ी बेहतर है. चेहरे पे थोड़ा स्ट्रेस दिखता है एंड योर बॉडी लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो काफ़ी आपकी बॉडी मूव करती है किसी पॉइंट को मेक करते टाइम. एंड व्हेन एवर यू स्पीक ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड कि जो भी वर्ड्स आप यूज़ करें, लाइक यू यूज़ द वर्ड नक्सल्स in terms of northeast region, Naxals are not that prominent in the northeast region. आपके थोड़ा सा रेड कॉरिडोर वाली बात है. So focus on these things. 103 group dynamics was good, content and argument was also very good. थोड़ा सा frequent participation और करना रहेगा, otherwise everything was perfect. 129 पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन एंथुजियाज्म थोड़ा सा और बढ़ाना है. इफेक्टिवनेस काफ़ी लो है. आपका होने ना होने से ग्रुप पे कुछ खास फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, सो यू नीड टू बी मोर इफेक्टिव. 160 शुरुआत में काफ़ी नर्वसनेस थी, इफेक्टिवनेस उसके बाद से काफ़ी कम हुआ है. पार्टिसिपेशन ऑल्सो वॉज फ्लक्चुएटिंग. शुरुआत में था, फिर बीच में एकदम गायब था, फिर लास्ट में थोड़ा सा आया. सो मेक इट मोर कंसिस्टेंट. सेम गोज फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ यू एज वेल. 179 इनिशिएशन था बट उसके बाद से पार्टिसिपेशन काफ़ी फ्लक्चुएट हुआ है. इट वॉज नॉट कंसिस्टेंट. 192 कंफर्ट लेवल इंग्लिश में थोड़ा सा और लेके आना है. एंड अगेन पार्टिसिपेशन शुरुआत में अच्छा था, बीच में एकदम ख़त्म हो गया, फिर लास्ट में हल्का सा शुरू होना वापस से स्टार्ट हुआ. सो मेक इट मोर कंसिस्टेंट. क्या थोड़ी थोड़ी देर पे पार्टिसिपेट करते रहें. 200 सेम स्टोरी विथ यू एज वेल. आई कॉन्टैक्ट पे थोड़ा वर्क करना है. पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन इज गुड बट समवेयर एनर्जी लेवल इज लैकिंग. तो शुरुआत में जब ग्रुप डिस्कशन शांत था तो आपकी पार्टिसिपेशन अच्छी थी. लास्ट में जब ग्रुप डिस्कशन थोड़ा सा कंटेंट बढ़ने लग गया तो आपका पार्टिसिपेशन काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिक्रीज हो गया. सो मेक इट मोर कंसिस्टेंट कि आपके अकॉर्डिंग ग्रुप में डिस्कशन हो और ग्रुप के हिसाब से आपका पार्टिसिपेशन में उतना इफेक्ट ना पड़े. क्लियर है? एनी डाउट्स? ओके, थैंक यू ऑल.